the grammar trap that's ruining your English, and how to escape it. Introduction. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that many English learners struggle with, and it's something I call the grammar trap. You might be wondering, what exactly is this trap? Well, it's the hidden barrier that prevents you from speaking and writing English fluently and confidently. It's not about not knowing grammar rules, it's about how we often approach learning and applying them. Stick around, because in just a few minutes, I'll show you how to identify this trap and, more importantly, how to escape it. Identifying the grammar trap. So, what does this grammar trap look like? It often starts with an exaggerated focus on perfection. We become so obsessed with getting every single grammar rule right that we become hesitant to speak or write at all. We overanalyze every sentence, worrying about tenses, prepositions, articles, and so on. This leads to a few common problems. Hesitation. You pause frequently, searching for the perfect word or structure. Stilted speech. Your English sounds unnatural and robotic because you're focusing more on rules than communication. Fear of mistakes. This fear prevents you from practicing and improving. Over-reliance on translation. You mentally translate from your native language, which often leads to grammatical errors. Does any of this sound familiar? If so, you've likely fallen into the grammar trap. Escaping the grammar trap, practical strategies. Now, let's talk about how to escape this trap and start using English more effectively. Here are some practical strategies. 1. Focus on communication, not perfection. Remember, the goal of language is to communicate. Don't let the fear of making mistakes paralyze you. Embrace errors as a natural part of the learning process. 2. Learn grammar in context. Instead of memorizing rules in isolation, learn them through real-life examples. Read articles, watch videos, and listen to podcasts. Pay attention to how native speakers use grammar in different situations. 3. Practice speaking regularly. The best way to improve your spoken English is to speak it. Find a language partner, join a conversation group, or simply talk to yourself in English. Don't worry about making mistakes, just focus on getting your message across. 4. Use simple language. Don't try to impress anyone with complex grammar or vocabulary. Use simple, clear sentences that you're comfortable with. As your confidence grows, you can gradually introduce more complex structures. 5. Immerse yourself in English. The more you expose yourself to English, the more naturally you'll absorb grammar rules. Listen to English music, watch English movies and TV shows, and read English books and articles. 6. Don't overthink, trust your instincts. Sometimes, the best way to use grammar is to simply use what feels right. Don't overanalyze every sentence. Conclusion. Remember, escaping the grammar trap is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself, practice regularly, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. By focusing on communication and learning grammar in context, you'll be well on your way to speaking and writing English with confidence. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more English learning tips. Also, let me know in the comments below what grammar challenges you face and how you're working to overcome them. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.